What if the online income gurus have it all wrong? What if the endless grind for clicks, likes, and views isn't the path to financial freedom? The truth is, the system is broken. Most people who try to make money online are set up to fail, drowning in complexity, wasting months or years learning skills only to be wiped out by a single algorithm change. It's a hamster wheel, and it's exhausting. But what if you could build a real income stream just by doing something you already do every day? Introducing Phoneify. It's a world-class private and secure communication app, but inside it holds a revolutionary patent-pending technology called Eris. Eris automatically and securely links new users to you when you invite them to a call or chat. When anyone in your growing network voluntarily upgrades to a paid service, you earn. No selling, no recruiting, no hustle, just connection. And every video call, meeting, chat, file transfer, and transaction is verified on a blockchain for complete transparency, trust, and security. This is more than an app. It's a paradigm shift. It's turning your daily conversations into security for your family. It's an income you truly own, free from the whims of big tech. It's not about working harder. It's about connecting better. A new way to earn is coming. Be one of the first to experience it. Join the waitlist today to become a founding member and get exclusive early access. The future of connection is Phoneify.